Hi everybody and welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey Carr.
Hey Mel.
So,
I got a cool thing for us to do today.
Yeah.
We are going to make non-Newtonian fluid.
Non-Newtonian fluid.
Yep. And if that's too much of a mouthful,
Yes.
this is also known as Oobleck.
Oh, okay. Oobleck.
So,
all right.
What I've got in this bowl is just regular old cornstarch.
Okay.
I have a tendency to just eyeball things, so we'll
Okay.
go over it as we go.
All right.
And if we need more cornstarch, we got a whole box here.
Okay.
And so this is just regular water, so I'm going to ask you to pour a little bit of water in there.
All right.
And start to stir it up just a little bit.
Okay. So I just like dribble.
Yeah, and I'll
just
tell you
a
when
little
to
bit?
stop. I'll tell you when to stop.
Do I start stirring it now?
Nah, pour a little more.
Pour a little more?
Now stop. Okay, so the ratio-ish, I believe, is somewhere around 10 parts of cornstarch to 1 part water.
Okay.
So it's going to be hard to stir,
Okay.
but there's a reason for that, and this is just regular food coloring so that everyone at home can see. Yep, just mix it up and then start to fold all that cornstarch into that water.
Oh, it's actually getting a little
And it's going to feel
hard.
lumpy and it's going to
Yes.
feel hard. So I'm going to grab
Maybe
this.
a little more.
And I'm going to,
water.
yep, I'm going to start pouring
It's very clumpy.
some water in here for you.
All right.
And we'll see.
Now it's clumpy,
So,
but not really.
The cornstarch is going to start to get lumpy and
Okay.
clumpy, and
Yeah.
as you stir, that cornstarch will kind of like absorb that water,
Yes.
and you should be able to kind of sort of stir it, and that's what we're going for. Is we're going to kind of sort of stir it.
It's sort of stirring,
Mhm.
and it's sort of like.
It's like you can stir and then it
Yeah.
stops, and then it
Yep.
stir and it stops.
Exactly.
And so what Oobleck does is if it's just resting there and you touch it really nicely,
Mm-hmm.
you'll be able to, sink your
grab
hand
it.
into it. But if you try and grab it really fast with a lot of force and your hand kind of hits that Oobleck, it's gonna get really hard.
Oh, okay. I think.
Yep.
I think.
And so I think you're definitely getting there. So
Yeah, I'm trying to mix.
do you want to get messy and use your
hands?
hands?
Oh, use my hands.
Yeah, we're gonna use our hands from
Okay.
here on out.
All right.
And so we
So
are
just
definitely yep. So I'm just gonna try and use my finger,
Okay, well,
and
I'll
you're
just
gonna
use
be
my
able to
hands.
feel it. So if you go
I
real
can.
slow
Okay.
and try and pinch it, what happens?
It actually it actually liquefies.
It liquefies. Right now, put your fingers into that Oobleck and try and pinch it real fast and tell us what happens.
Oh, it's hard. Now it's
hard. Yep.
now it's
And
liquid.
so if I'm gonna see if I can do this for those of you at home. Obviously, this is really goopy, but if I
Yeah.
go really, really fast,
It's actually
See how it's
turning into a
hard?
ball. But I
Right,
see under
but
here,
now
look, it's dripping.
if I relax,
Ew.
and then if I do it again,
Right?
and then relax, it turns back into a liquid.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
That is cool.
So this
Actually,
is actually one of my favorite things to do in the kitchen. It's super easy. You only need 2 things, cornstarch and water, and both are relatively accessible. But guys, if you liked this activity as much as I did and as much as Mel did,
Yep.
please make sure to give this video a big thumbs
Thumbs
up.
up.
And as always, please subscribe for more Hands on
On
Science.
Science.
We'll see you next time.